We can pretty much address all financial issues, but what a prenuptial agreement cannot address and what a postnuptial agreement cannot address are custody, parenting time, and child support. Even if you put it in there, it's going to be void. It's not going to be enforceable by the court. Frankly, if you put it in there, you run the risk of your whole prenuptial or postnuptial agreement being thrown out. So don't even put it in there at all. But those are matters that are subject to the court's discretion. If you enter into a prenuptial agreement or a postnuptial agreement regarding the finances, frankly, the court's not going to care, right? They're going to sign off on it because y'all are adults. Y'all can do what you want. But when it comes to custody, parenting time, child support, those are matters that the court has to approve, and they will not uphold any provisions that dictate in advance what custody is going to be, what parenting time is going to be, or what child support is going to be.
By function of law, those things have to be addressed at the time of the divorce, no matter what.
So Christine, let's do this game real quick. Let's give these folks some tips on how to have this conversation with your spouse, because I know that's what they're asking. They're thinking, right? Whoever's watching this podcast right now is saying, "Ooh, I really want."
Sounds great,
Yeah,
but
right.
great in theory.
Right.
What do I do in practice?
How do I pull this off?
Mhm.
How do I have that conversation with my spouse or my fiance? Any tips?
So I think first, open and honest communication is a foundation to marriage, period. If you find yourself unable to breach this topic, that's kind of a red flag. And I'm not saying you shouldn't get married, but you should definitely work on improving communication skills if you can't simply breach this topic and have this conversation.